It has never been easier to get rich with AI. Today, the fusion of artificial intelligence, AI, and business offers innovative ways for financial success. Whether you're starting with AI or an expert, there are diverse strategies to tap into its potential. For beginners, simple methods like content creation, web design, online courses, freelance coding, and AI product affiliation open doors to earnings. Experts can explore advanced avenues like creating AI products, offering integration services, consulting, and investing in AI-focused ventures. AI's transformative impact demands technical skills, adaptability, and trend awareness. In this guide, we'll navigate monetizing AI. Whether you're new or experienced, join us to unveil strategies that turn AI's power into financial gain. Generate AI content. Content creation remains a steadfast method to earn money online. AI tools like Jasper revolutionize this process by taking your prompts and crafting content across various formats such as blog posts, Instagram captions, or YouTube scripts. However, it's important to recognize that AI-generated content serves as a foundation, requiring subsequent human editing and fact-checking to ensure precision, authenticity, and relevance. Utilize AI for web design. Owning a website opens doors to potential revenue streams. AI-driven website builders, such as Hostinger Website Builder, offer invaluable features like AI heat maps. These tools analyze visitor behavior, aiding in optimizing your website's design for enhanced user engagement. This user-friendly experience simplifies the creation of a professional website, allowing you to channel your focus towards other aspects of your venture. Create online courses using AI. Sharing your expertise through online courses not only brings personal satisfaction, but also lucrative prospects. AI plays a pivotal role in this domain by identifying market demands and suggesting pertinent topics. Additionally, AI-powered copywriting tools craft compelling marketing materials, attracting students to enroll in your courses. This blend of AI and education can lead to financial success while empowering others. Freelance coding with AI. For coding enthusiasts, AI functions as a powerful tool that streamlines work processes. Tools like ChatGPT automate code documentation, expedite research for code snippets, and even provide insights to enhance code quality. This liberates time, enabling you to channel your energy towards more innovative aspects of your work, thereby bolstering efficiency and financial gains. Become an AI product affiliate. Engaging in an AI product affiliate program offers a direct avenue for revenue generation. By endorsing AI-related tools and services, you're eligible to earn commissions on resulting sales. These programs typically provide marketing resources and support, enabling you to enhance your promotional efforts and maximize your income potential. Develop and market AI-powered products. Venturing into the realm of AI-powered product development requires creative prowess and technical acumen. Utilizing existing APIs like Google Cloud AI or TensorFlow can streamline this process, aiding in the creation of innovative products. This journey necessitates a firm grasp of market trends, a knack for invention, and the ability to meet specific consumer needs. Provide AI integration services. Industries such as finance, healthcare, and retail yearn for AI integration to enhance their operations. By offering integration services that leverage predictive analytics, personalized customer experiences, and AI-driven chatbots, you position yourself as a vital ally for businesses seeking technological advancement. This role not only brings financial benefits, but also contributes to transforming industries. Offer AI consulting services. Navigating the complexities of AI implementation can be daunting for companies. As an AI consultant, your expertise bridges this gap. By assessing their needs, analyzing existing systems, and devising tailored AI solutions, you contribute to their growth while creating a profitable venture for yourself. Success in this avenue demands a deep understanding of both AI technology and business dynamics. Invest in AI-focused businesses or funds. For investors, the AI landscape presents a realm of opportunities. Investing in AI startups or AI-focused funds offers a chance to ride the wave of AI's growing prominence. Nevertheless, meticulous research and due diligence are essential to identify promising ventures. This path blends financial acumen with the potential for substantial returns as AI continues to shape industries. In the ever-evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence serves as a transformative force for both beginners and experts seeking to capitalize on their skills and knowledge. Whether you're cautiously wading into the waters of AI or plunging into its complexities headfirst, there's a path tailored to your expertise. From content generation to AI product development, from offering consultation to investment in AI-focused ventures, the possibilities are boundless. Adapting to the changing AI landscape, staying informed about emerging trends, and continually enhancing your skills are paramount in harnessing the full potential of this burgeoning market. Remember, success in the realm of AI requires a fusion of innovation, adaptability, and unwavering dedication. Embrace these methods, explore diverse avenues, and uncover the opportunities that resonate with your passions and aspirations. As you embark on your journey to monetize artificial intelligence, you're not only embracing technology, you're actively shaping the future. Thank you for joining us, and until we meet again, keep dreaming big and thinking AI.